guys, welcome back for another video of service reset my car. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the menu language of a Porsche Cayenne. It's a 2015 model. I had a customer who required a different language on his Porsche, and I'm going to show you how I did that for him. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, it's Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel. We have more than 300 other videos on how to service, reset or change or some other tricks or tips, and if you like, you can watch them all on our channel. If you have any questions, use the comment area. Any comments, use the comment area below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start with this one. First of all, turn the ignition to the second position. And then there are, on the right side, we're going to use this side of the steering wheel. We have a button. Scroll down till we find on the right side the settings or the vehicle area. Once you are here, press this and scroll down to settings. Once you are there, press it and scroll all the way down to language. Once you found that, press it and you can choose the desired language. And once you want that, the customer wants it in Dutch, press it. Once you have done that, it's marked, go back, and as you can see, now it is in Dutch. I'm going to show you how you can do it back to English. Once we are here at the vehicle area, press it, go all the way down, settings, all the way down to language. That's taal in Dutch, and once you are here, you can use this button to go back to English. That was it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time with another video. Take care. Bye bye.